Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure you have administrator rights on the laptop. Without that, you may not view saved passwords. Open Start, type Control Panel or Settings, and go straight to Network and Internet. Once there, choose Network and Sharing Center to see active connections. Make sure to select the Wi-Fi network you want and click Connections to open the Wi-Fi status dialog. This puts you in the exact place to reveal saved credentials and avoids wasting time digging through unrelated menus. You now open Wireless Properties and switch to the Security tab so you can access the encryption settings. Once done, check Show Characters to reveal the saved network key. This displays the actual Wi-Fi password in the field. If the system prompts for administrator credentials, supply them. This protects other users' secrets. Make sure to read the string carefully and copy it exactly, including capitalization and symbols, because Wi-Fi keys are case-sensitive and must match on the other device. If the graphical route is unavailable, open an elevated command prompt and run netwlan show profiles, then netwlan show profile name, key equals clear to print the password. Once done, you can also log into the router's admin page or check the physical label if the password isn't stored on the laptop. If nothing appears, restart the WLAN service or reboot the machine. Make sure to retry with admin rights, because lack of permissions is the most common reason values fail to display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.